And with Scarf Art coming back to you for Memorial Day. We have some more red, white, and blue for you. Thank you for joining the Scarf Art channel today. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. And also, thank you for putting your comments in the comment section. Today, we're going to work with this scarf. This is a pretty big scarf. This is a pretty big one. So, with this particular scarf, I'm only going to do a couple of looks today. One thing you can do with this one, depending on where you're going and what you have on, you can just fold it, right? And then bring it in like that. And you can do this, excuse me, with a rubber band or without a rubber band. One thing you can do without the rubber band, and this would be for like a formal occasion if you're going to like a luncheon or a banquet, you know, or something like that for Memorial Day. There are so many activities that are going on, of course, you know, for Memorial Day. So you can take it and you can do this and then just bring this side in here like that. And you can leave it like that and then just spread the top of the scarf out like that. And you can wear it like that. I would wear this with, in fact, I would wear it with, if I had like a silk t-shirt with a white skirt and some blue pumps, I would wear that. Or with some red pumps, or if you had some red and blue pumps, you know, that would be nice as well, but I would do that. But you can also, you know, change this up and you can spread this out a little bit more if you like to do that, the bottom part of it. You can spread it out a little bit more for a little bit more of a pop and more color. You can do that as well. And there you go with that. Now that's actually tying it. Now if you don't want to tie it, make sure you get your rubber bands out. Get your rubber bands because you know we can do pretty much everything with rubber bands and we can make a scarf look like it's tied with a rubber band without actually tying it. So what you can do with the rubber band is you can actually take it, put both pieces together. This is after you folded the scarf, and you can actually take it and put the rubber band around the scarf as if you're putting the rubber band on a ponytail. And then just spread it out, you know, like that here. And then this side, you know, just open it up and just spread the scarf out there and there. And you can make it smaller there. Do that and do that, depending on how much fluff you want, you know, in the scarf and how much of the design of the scarf that you would like to show. So I would do that if I'm going to like a luncheon or a banquet or something that's kind of formal, because there are, you know, so many events again that are going on for Memorial Day. It's not just, you know, the barbecues and the pool parties, but there are actual other events, you know, luncheons and things like that that are recognizing veterans and stuff like that that are going on. So you would wear this to something, you know, like that. Like I said, with a dress or with a suit or with a sleeveless top, you know, you could wear this look. But then you can also bring this down as well, right, and make it a little bit smaller, depending on, you know, what your taste is. You got a different look there. Same scarf, different look. So you got a different look there, right? And you can see I just have on a plain t-shirt. So that's the good thing about scarves. They make everything pop. Whatever outfits you have, you know, what's in your closet now. And that's one of the things we're going to do is show you how to take the stuff that's already in your closet and just add a scarf. And you got a totally new outfit. You can transfer your whole wardrobe, you know, with a scarf. So t-shirt, I just have on a t-shirt and some pants, some white pants on a t-shirt. Put on, you know, depending on where you're going. With this particular scarf, this can be casual as well. You can put on some flip-flops with this. I mean, you can put on some blue flip-flops, some red, white, and blue flip-flops, just flip-flops for the most part. But you can wear this casual or you can wear this dressy, one way or the other. And then depending on, again, like I said, what you have on. T-shirt, it looks good like this, but if, say for instance, you had on a suit and you wanted to maybe pull it, you know, to the side and then put a pin in it or something like that, you could give it a different look. Move it to the side and do something like that. If you have on a dress or a suit and you wanted it to be a little bit, you know, more dressy or whatever, you know, you can do that as well. But if I'm going to something that's casual, but at the same time I want to look nice, then I'm going to wear it like this. and still be casual. If I have on a sundress, a white sundress, or a blue sundress, or something like that, then I would just wear it like that for the most part. Now the good thing about this one is there are so many different ways, because it is so big. There are so many different ways you can wear it. Now I would also do this, and that is to take the scarf, right, making sure that I'm putting the wrong sides together. I'm putting the wrong sides, making it into a triangle, right? And then what I'm going to do is just flip it and flip it and flip it. Flip it. And I'm going to fold it. And then I'm going to fold it again. And then I'm going to take it here. And you can do the exact same thing, ladies, is take this, right? Take your rubber band. This time you take your rubber band and you do this. And making sure that the ends of the scarf are even. Go up like this, right? Bring it out so that you're not choking yourself. You don't want to choke yourself. We don't want any accidents or incidents. So there you go. Put the scarf around, the rubber band around the scarf, like a ponytail, right? And then what we're going to do is spread it apart. And then we're going to spread the scarf apart as well. And we're going to do the same thing and make another bow. We're big on bows at Scarf Art. So here we go. I'm going to spread that out. There and there. And you've got two bows. And you've got a streamer. And you can see all of the red, white, and blue. You have all of the patriotic colors that are showing, right? There you go. And then if you didn't want this to show, then you could just take it and put it on the inside, like so. There you go. And there you go, ladies. Same scarf, You would never guess that it would be the same scarf, but then you can also make one of these, put one on top of the other, and do that as well. And if you want the scarf, the extra material of the scarf to stay inside, then all you do is just pin it so that it doesn't show, so that it looks a lot neater. Then that's what you would do. But to make one scarf, to tier the scarf, then what you would do is just pull the bottom scarf and leave the top scarf the same size, and then you can tier it like that as well. So a couple of looks for your upcoming Memorial Day activities, using a rubber band and just a scarf. And like I said, if you are interested in the scarf that I've shown today, you can go to our website, which is scarf-art.com, and purchase any of the scarves that we have. And in fact, again, we have both pre-tied and untied scarves. Please leave your comments in the comments section. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know some of the things that you would like to see, and we'll be sure to do some of those things as well with the scarves. And don't forget to subscribe, as well as share this video and our channel with your friends, co-workers that like scarves or would like to wear scarves and would like to tie scarves in different ways. Thank you again for joining me today. I'll see you next time.